Understanding fragrance notes, how top, middle, and base notes shape your favorite perfumes. Ever wondered why a perfume smells divine at first, but then transforms into something completely different after an hour? That enchanting shift isn't magic, it's chemistry. And understanding the fragrance notes behind your favorite perfumes will change the way you experience every scent from now on. Perfumes unfold in layers, and each layer has a purpose. These layers, top, middle, and base notes, create a sensory journey, guiding you from a first impression to a lingering memory. They don't just smell good, they tell a story on your skin. The top notes are your perfume's opening line. These are the scents you notice right away when you first spray a fragrance. They're light, crisp, and attention-grabbing, think citrus, fresh herbs, or fruits. Their job is to lure you in, to sparkle and dance for a moment. But they're fleeting, often lasting only 10 to 15 minutes. As the top notes fade, the heart of the perfume reveals itself. These are the middle notes, often known as the heart notes. They are the soul of the fragrance and usually include floral, fruity, or spicy aromas, like rose, lavender, or cinnamon. These notes emerge once the initial burst disappears, creating a full-bodied scent that lasts for a few hours. They connect the vibrant top with the deep foundation below. Finally, the base notes enter the scene. They are the anchors, rich, smooth, and long-lasting. Base notes appear slowly but stay with you the longest. Ingredients like vanilla, patchouli, amber, musk, and sandalwood build depth and give the perfume its signature feel. They linger on your clothes, your skin, and your memories. They whisper long after the rest have faded. Understanding these layers can make perfume shopping and wearing a much more intentional, personal experience. Instead of being swayed by a quick spray at the store, take time. Let the perfume settle. Walk around. Revisit it. How does it evolve? How does it feel on your skin after an hour? That's when you truly meet the fragrance. Perfume is an invisible accessory, a second skin. It should reflect your personality, your mood, your essence. And now that you know how fragrance notes work, you're one step closer to finding the perfect one for you. Which fragrance note do you feel defines your essence, top, middle, or base?